because you're all friends, we're going to share these words with everybody now, okay? So no, they were your special words, ond dyn ni'n mynd I rannu nhw. So beth sy'n mynd I ddigwydd, mae pawb o'r ochr yma, pawb o'r ochr yma yn mynd I ddweud ardderchog. So this is what you will say the word ardderchog. So you need to get that side for now. Diolch yn fawr iawn. So everybody this side, just say ardderchog. And this side would say Mwynhewch. Ardderchog. Mwynhewch. Ardderchog. Mwynhewch. So let's say this. Ardderchog. Mwynhewch. Say like cows. As if a cow would tell you to enjoy yourself. Mwynhewch. Mwynhewch. Okay. So beth ydym mynd I wneud ydy hyn. Just to get the rhythm, right? To distract that thing which always trips you up, your brain. Ooh. It's, one thing if you could leave behind before coming to a language lesson is your brain. You don't actually need it. So beth ni'n mynd I wneud ydy, we're going to divert your brain by doing something else. So beth ni'n mynd I wneud, as you say your word, you pass eich cyfaill to your partner, and they throw it back saying their word. So for instance, if we can just have trial run here. Okay, you've thrown things before, I think, haven't you? Right, yeah, right. So I'm ready. Yeah, so everyone there. So beth ni ardderchog, Mwynhewch. Ardderchog.
Mwynhewch.
Ardderchog.
Mwynhewch.
Ardderchog.
Mwynhewch.
Ardderchog.
Mwynhewch.
Ardderchog.
Try, sorry.
Yeah.
Mwynhewch.
Yeah, ardderchog. So we do that and try and get the rhythm going. Let's get it as fast as we can. So,
do you want to do it faster?
Yeah, well, yeah, reasonably fast. I mean, ddim gloiach, ddim rhy gyflym, So just so get the rhythm. So barod, let's do it together. Barod. And let's create, so you will all be saying the same words together. So it should dig us so. At all three, we'll have an ardderchog passed to there, and you say Mwynhewch. And synchronize. Okay, so this is like synchronized swimming. Okay, so at all three, 1, 2, 3, ardderchog.
Mwynhewch. Ardderchog.
Mwynhewch. Ardderchog. Mwynhewch. Ardderchog. Mwynhewch. Ardderchog. Mwynhewch. Ardderchog. Mwynhewch. Ardderchog. Mwynhewch. Mwynhewch. Now we need to swap your on. Let's start off. Oh no, we need them this side actually. Mewn gwirionedd. As rwan, dyn ni'n mynd I swap you now. So dych chi'n dweud Mwynhewch. Dych chi'n dweud, what's your word? Ardderchog. So we need a Mwynhewch. Right, so dych chi, rwan, you have a new word. Mwynhewch ardderchog. Mwynhewch ardderchog. Ardderchog. Excellent. Ardderchog. 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 Mwynhewch. 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 So Mwynhewch ardderchog. Mwynhewch ardderchog. 1, 2, 3.
Mwynhewch.
Ardderchog.
Mwynhewch.
Okay, Diane. Okay, let's go for the next pair now then. So at the so let's start. You can have with the teddies and things to start with this time. So they can cadw chi'n hapus. So dyma chi, right? Okay. So rwan, so beth ydych chi'n neud nawr? Ydych chi'n dweud rhywbeth. So rhywbeth. What do you want to drink? Oh, rhywbeth. Anything. Rhywbeth, something. Oh, something. Rhywbeth. Rhywbeth, odd, something strange. Rhywbeth, something strange. Rhywbeth diddorol, something interesting. Rhywbeth, something. Rhywbeth, Dych chi'n cael ansbaradigaethus. Rhywbeth ansbaradigaethus. So you would throw on the gaethus ansbaradigaethus.
Sorry.
So kind of like, yeah, okay. So barod, we start off with rhywbeth and then come back with ansbaradigaethus. 1, 2, 3.
Rhywbeth ansbaradigaethus.
Ardderchog, dail.